I'm back. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Little issue. Internet issues. TJP, what's up? What's going on, guys, again? Apparently the whole stream shut down, so... Yeah, I don't know. It's just I'm having all kinds of issues tonight. The internet, everything, it's crapped. What's up, Spaces? Yeah, what kind of am I running? I know, all that money you guys pay me. What kind of stream am I running exactly? What is going on? I don't know what's happening. Alright. Come on, Gold. Get down there. Yeah, the reboot did work, but it killed my stream, so it might be something, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to do that every day. Oh, come on. Really? Really? Yeah, I was short gold before my stream just dropped. Yeah. Looks like we might get stopped out now. Maybe not. Just missed my TP there. The old entry support. Yeah, what's up? What's up, Eater? What's up? Guys, do me a favor. Re-smash that like button. Re-smash the like button, please. What the heck? Thank you, Spaces. Yeah, gold pushed down. Kind of missed my take profit by just about a point, unfortunately, and popped right back up above that VWAP. So good support there. Need to break below that 4,000. Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Go through to 39.70 on gold down in here. Yeah, that'd be cool. I'll take that right now. What's nasty Nasdaq doing? Push it down here. I don't know why I paper handed that trade. I was short up here at 85. It's frustrating. It's like gold's trying to paper cut me. No surprise. Sorry about that stream drop. Yeah, internet issues tonight. Seems to be working now. My charts are loading faster, so that reboot did work. But unfortunately, I had to reset the stream. All right, currently down 56 bucks on this trade here. I don't have my other chart up anymore either. Let's see. All right, we're just chopping the VWAP at the moment. Nasdaq really pushing down here. Nasdaq's kind of the play at the moment. Bitcoin. Long gold scalp ripper, let's go. At 4,009, let's go. Good luck, good luck. Inside bar on gold. It's gonna dump. Trade the Momo. The Momo. We'll get a little Momo to the downside. That'd be nice. Damn. I'm so frustrated with this trade, this Nasdaq trade. Yeah, I was. Would have, could have, should have, but yeah, a little hindsight trading here. But yeah, we were short here right off this inside bar, and then I had a target just below this wick here, and it pushed back up. Looked like it was gonna take out the other side of this outside bar, and I ended up just paper handing it and getting out pretty much break even, and then just roll back over and hit target. But oh well, I mean, there's always gonna be another trade. It's just frustrating. It's like we might get stopped out here in gold. Nasdaq still got the open gap down there from last night. So it's basically left 2 open gaps last 2 Sundays, which is just kind of crazy to think about. So yeah, it's 2 new week opening gaps. So we got one from last night, and then we got one from last Sundays as well. Just itching. If you look at the hourly, we get the open gap down here, and then we got the giant open gap down here that hasn't been touched yet. 25,700, right around that area. So I might get stopped out on the gold. Not quite. Inside bar break to the upside there, which always sucks when you're short. Get the tendies, yes, the diamond butt cheeks. Absolutely. I rewatched that movie the other night. What was it called? Dumb Money with Seth Rogen. Get a gold wide stop, 39.89. Yeah, let's go. Space is a good movie. Yeah, that is. It's a fun movie. Dumb Money, especially because we love the markets, right? So. That whole thing had everyone talking about the market. The old GME days. Anyone make any money on GME? Dean says I rug pulled you guys. It's true. Back in the day, I did not. I didn't have any money to make money. You made 500K on AMC? Holy shit. Let's go, Joe. Think Bitcoin will rip 10,000 this week? Hey, what's up, Grant? Passed my first challenge, being 2 weeks in trading. Let's go. 25K Apex, let's go. Yeah, Apex right now, $40 activation fee, 70% off. If you guys are trading with Apex. Use code PINE. Maybe we'll get a little lucky with the stop here. A little unlucky with the take profit, but might get a little lucky with the stop. Got a stop sitting up there, 4,010.60. Any opinion on Funded Next? I think they're pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty good. They won't give me a code. They won't give me a code. Says we only give codes to select few people. I said thanks. All right, back to their entry here. Can we break down below the VWAP here? Looking good off this Harami. This is actually a nice trade. A trade that I love taking. It's already kind of pushed 1-to-1. The entry would have been there at 08, but. Yeah, KDP. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. Funny thing is the affiliate manager reached out to me for Funded Next and said, I just want to touch base. I haven't heard anything from you guys, but I guess if you guys want to, I do have a link for them, but they won't give me a code. So there's a link for Funded Next. So I think you just would use that link and then use the default code if you guys, if you want to help support this channel. Try that, and then use the default link, the default code, and then use the link first. Finally, get a little luck here on this trade. Almost got stopped out. Still gonna hold it. See if we can break down below here. Nice push down below 4,000 would be real nice. I'm in 4 micros. So this is a trade I love taking. A little Harami candle, except we didn't make a new session high or low. So I did make a little video on that, but we didn't make a new session high or low. Usually an A++ setup is when you make a new session high or low, and then you break the Harami. Hey, Sports Don, what is up? Yeah, I had a good weekend. Patriots won. Patriots looking fire right now. Finally. All right, take profit on 1. Leave the stop right where it is. We'll look for more. See if we can get back into the green here. Oh, the coach. Oh, yeah, Vrabel, man. He's the dude. Yeah, the players love him. I mean, the players love him from what you see, you know. Drake May's playing good. Let's get this flush. See if we can get it down below 4,000 here. I'm gonna leave the stop where it is. I'm not even gonna trail it. Currently up 15 bucks. Total P&L unrealized. Down a little bit from the first trade. Guys, you can make some bucks with micros with gold. You really can. It's always tempting to hop in with the minis, but man, you can make some bucks. And then there's the Bengals. Yeah. I used to like the Bengals when they had Ocho Cinco. What was it? Yeah. That was a fun season. I think I was playing fantasy football then. Yeah, they really any Bengal Tigers. You're on hiatus for gold? Yeah, I don't blame you. Let's go trade the Momo. Let's push this bad boy down. I'm gonna leave the stop right up there at that swing high. We'll see. If we get stopped out, that's fine. I think it's worth a shot. Getting down below this inside bar here, pushing down into this wick. P&L check, down 22 bucks, unrealized. It's for the person that says, am I intentionally hiding my P&L? Because I have a course to sell you guys. It's coming out. It's gonna be $99.99. Called Inside Ba, and it has a picture of a sheep on it. Inside Ba. Self, yeah, exactly design. Oh, it's just funny. It's funny to me because, like, I have nothing to hide from you guys. I literally don't care what my P&L is. You guys know that. You guys have been following me for a while. But then when I see a lot of these streamers that are selling courses and indicators, they're using TradingView. TradingView, which doesn't show any P&L or anything on it. Not even the account numbers or anything. And then they make all their entries off on another screen and then pull it over. You have to drive to Maine to get it? Yeah, I know. Tradertainment, guys. This is Tradertainment. I'm not here to teach you. I'm just here to have some fun. Sling some contracts. Trying to pass these evals for myself. Had a good day today overall. Oh, did anyone get caught up in the Project X mishap? So supposedly some of the companies are going to be fixing it, right? I've been seeing on X. Oh, Lucid said they're going to be fixing. Yeah, I saw something from Lucid. So if any of you guys got, all right, here it is. It's currently in this gold trade. I got to stop up there, 4,010.70. Nice bounce on gold. We'll see if this actually holds. But here's the post here. Project X. Here's how we're handling the effective outage from 6 to 6:56. If you had losses during the outage and hit daily loss limit or max loss limit, your day will be deleted. If you had losses during the outage and it did not hit daily loss limit or max loss limit, we will add what you lost during the outage back to your balance in day P&L in the Lucid dashboard. These changes will be reflected on the Lucid dashboard and calendar. The process will be run between 9 p.m. and 12 a.m. Eastern tonight. Thank you for the patience. That's from Lucid, CEO. So that's pretty cool. Lucid taking care of customers once again. Project X is not helping them, according to this post. So, yeah, if you guys are trading, I'm trading with Lucid. I just got a payout last week with Lucid. Working on another payout as we speak. I'm right there again. Show you my calendar at the moment. So here's my Lucid. Oops. Here's my Lucid. Looking really good. So here's the calendar with Lucid. Made $921 with it yesterday. And here's the rest of the calendar. Got one payout on it already. Right now, $12,569 for the monthly P&L. And the balance is up to $160,490. Nice equity curve going. Looking to get another payout. 57% win rate, 1.63 profit factor, 1.2 win loss. Pretty happy with that. The worst trade, $2,000. Not great there. Best trade, 1,000. But the average winning trade is 224. The average losing trade is 186. And average trade direction, I found this interesting. Boy, I am short bias lately on this account. Short bias, big time. 186 trades versus 83. So back to the trade here. We're back to our entry. So yeah, if you guys haven't tried Lucid, I believe they're 40% off. Use code PINE. I appreciate that. Help support this channel. And seem to be a good company. I'm liking them. Lucid, if your accounts were affected between 6 and 6:56 p.m. Eastern time yesterday, supposedly yeah, if you hit max loss limit or daily loss limit, your day will be deleted. If you had losses during the outage and did not hit max loss limit or daily loss limit, we will add what you lost during the outage back to your balance. So yeah, reset. All right, back below my entry here. I'm liking it. Stop straight up to that swing high. Let's see if we get another push back down. We're gonna get down below that 4,000 for it to do anything. We got Nasdaq grinding lower. I'm bitter about it. Oof, bitter about that. If you guys are just tuning in, I was short Nasdaq. Paper handed it right off that first inside bar. Oh, it's annoying. P&L check. Currently down $50 in a My Funded Futures core evaluation. Unrealized. Better hire your team to tackle all the bugs. I know. Yeah. They got some issues going on. I wonder if it had anything to do with daylight savings. Don't you guys think it had to do with something like daylight savings? I have a feeling it did. Yeah, for sure, Sports Don. Yeah, they kind of came on storm. So I just noticed them when he was on Patrick's channel, the CEO. Seemed like a cool dude. And I started trading with him myself. And then picked up an affiliation with him, and then ended up just ended up getting a payout with them. And all right, Nasdaq still pushing down here. Nasdaq looking weak. Anyone catch this short? He holding three. Oh man. KDP, yeah, we don't know what happened there. For sure, major outage. But you know what? They all have outages. I mean, Trade-of-8 will go through major issues and outages as well. I've seen Rhythmic do it, you know, so through Quantower and all that stuff. Look at Nasdaq, absolutely kabooshed on Nasdaq. All right, stop loss holding in place once again. Boy, Nasdaq looking like it's gonna take out 26,015 here. Keeping an eye on it. Still short gold, but keeping an eye on Nasdaq here. I'm going for that gap, guys. Going for the gap. Got a gap down here on Nasdaq, looking like it's gonna try to get filled here. This is a very risky play. Don't trade this. Don't trade this. This is something you do on the evals. $26,000 holding. Okay, I'm out of that trade. Gap hasn't quite filled yet, but I'm out of that trade. Little scalp there. Little Momo. NQ going for that open gap fill. Still hasn't filled it yet. Gold right back to my entry here. Sorry guys, I'm focused. Still I'm still in the short on another account. Bang. Just hit there. 387 on that funded up there. So yeah, so back to positive, up 182. P&L check on this yeah, I made well, almost 400 bucks on that gap fill on the Lucid, but boy, left it a lot on the table though, right? Whew. That's intense. What's up, Canary Trader? What's going on? Yeah, Trader. Yeah, we went for that open gap. So yeah, this is exactly what we went for. I'll keep on gold. So I'm in that gold trade here. Well, here's the Lucid here. Yeah, so we filled that gap. So we opened up with the open gap here yesterday night. New week opening gap, and had this open gap, and just kind of reading momentum, and as we started to flush down through, you just kind of knew it, like we were just going to take that out. So I just kind of hopped in a short there. Very risky play, but I was willing to take it. Actually a pretty high probability, but very risky. Still in this gold short though, not really doing anything. But yeah, so anyways, yeah, we were short earlier. This actually triggered. This is hindsight trading, but this actually triggered short. We left a small open gap from the open up in here. Nasdaq's just been holding those gaps, and so we put in that small open gap and put in an inside bar, and we went short right here. This was very unfortunate that we didn't hold. Obviously, I just texted my trading buddy, and they caught the short all the way down, so they are up nicely, over a G, which is sweet. They go, "Did you catch it?" I says, "No. Some of it." I paper handed it. E-Banner, what is up? The October 27th gap too? Yeah, that way down there at you talking about that one, right? Way down here at 20. This one right here, right? Yeah, there's a big gap down there. I'm really surprised we haven't. We will. We'll take it out eventually. I just don't know when. When you least expect it, right? Then I'll just go for it. Oh no, design. Oh man. Sorry to hear that, bud. Negative 2,800 on that draw. Yeah. It's alright. Yeah, that sucks, man. I am short on gold from this inside bar right here. So yeah, so I've been sitting in this gold short for a while. At this point, I've taken profit already on most of my my trade, and I'm stuck in not stuck, but I'm in two. These are the runners basically. These two. So yeah, at this point, one-on-one dress. It's basically just a this is kind of a flip of the coin. Just the stop's at a very good level. It's respected it a bunch of times, which is nice. So we just need a little bit of a little flush. But eventually we'll come up take my stop out if we don't get the flush. I could take it off right here, but another inside bar break, which is nice. A little 1-to-1 if you guys just caught that. Let's go. 450 rock driller. Let's go. You looking for a buy on 7 cents on the NQ? We did fill the gap, so let's see what it's doing now. This is a buy. Yeah, it could be. Personally, what I like to do is I like to wait to see what this candle is going to do. If it puts in a nice harami, could trigger a nice long up, backed up towards the VWAP, at least, right? That's usually a good play. Yeah, no problem. One-on-one. Watching that Nasdaq, gold pushing down here. Got to break below that 4,000. We just holding that 4,000 level. See if we can get that little rug pull. Do we know when they're gonna announce any changes to their plans? I have no idea. Tech review. I don't know when, but I do know that they do have plans to make some major changes. So yeah, the CEO had talked about it. The CEO had talked about going direct to funded with Apex. So you're gonna see some direct to funded, possibly. Pretty soon. Don't know when. Yo, Adam Daz in the house. Oh, no design. I went through 5 My Funded Future core evals earlier today. $800 payout, but went through 5 of those accounts, so not exactly happy. Thankfully they had that deal going on, so it's like $300, but yeah. I got to it'd be nice if I could just start treating the evals with respect. Alright, this is looking like it might pop here. See if we can get above 2,600 on Nasdaq. A little flush on gold would be nice. Do I trade any Lucid straight to funded? Yes, I do. I actually just showed it. So I just got a payout with a Lucid straight to funded. So this account right here, I just got a $3,000 payout. This is 150K. I have another one too, right here. No payout on that one yet, but yeah, I just got a payout on this one for 3K. Looking nice. I need a few more days. To get a payout on that one. So be nice to get another 3,000 on that. All right, Nasdaq pushing up towards that 26,000, rejecting there. But yeah, if you guys are interested in Lucid, use code PINE, please. If you pick it up any accounts with Lucid. Also, I might have gotten a few, not tonight, but I might have gotten a few Lucid accounts to give away for later this week. Maybe. Just a little teaser. Maybe. All right, gold rolling over here, looking good. Guys, do me a favor. If you guys want to check out my website, it's right there. Anything causing the sell-off? I don't know. I think it was just kind of like it just wanted to fill that open gap. But we had that Palantir earnings pawn. So that could have been the catalyst that pushed it down. I guess Palantir was dumping towards the open. But yeah, we just had that open gap from Sunday night and then we just went down and filled it. So yeah, could have been, yeah. Did I catch the short? I caught some of it, yeah, late, unfortunately. A little bit late. But I did catch some of it. All right, gold, let's go. I'm gonna close that trade out. It's just kind of messing around here at the 4,000. It bounced again off the 4,000. It could actually break down through, which is fine. P&L check. Well, I'm green, so I can show it now. $294.74. So just an eval, guys. Just an eval. Tradertainment. You know, I'm trying to get a good start for tomorrow, which is nice. I'm not in the mood to do the full porting. Haven't been trading that well on stream, so I figured I'd size it down a bit. Try to show proper risk management. That kind of good stuff. What is silver called? SLV, I believe, right? Or SVL? SIV. Was it SIV? SIV. SI, yeah. You're going to the dark side with silver. That's the dark side. But it is fun, Corey the Scalper. I see you got GC in your name, so he's ready to step it up. Silver is fun sometimes. I actually passed an eval trading silver a few nights ago, which is kind of fun. Oh, Tyson, what's the next step after hitting the profit target on Billinox eval? Nothing. Nothing. You're gonna see. I'll show you. You're gonna see. I don't know if you'll get an email or not. Sometimes you do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come down here on your dashboard and scroll down, and you're gonna see master account, and then you're gonna see your activation fee. And you just complete the payment, and it'll activate your account. I gotta activate that one. Let's go, Tyson. Isn't that the thing? You grab the cheaper eval and you pass it, right? You know, with the activation fee, which is always the bummer. But what is the deal with what is this? Fuelnox have any good deals going right now? What is up with that? Web server is down. That's not good. Yeah, Fuelnox only 75% off. Use code PINE, but it's only 75%. It is 75% off option 2s, which is the end of day accounts. Fuelnox, guys, I only recommend, like, not financial advice or anything like that, but 25Ks and 50Ks, because you get up to the 150s and the 250s, and the activation fee is way too much. So I don't want anyone to get stuck with them. $25 a tick, what could go wrong? Design says, yeah. Silver is wild, for sure. It's fun. You can definitely pass or smash an eval if you chose with silver. Gold pushing down still. I am currently flat. Up about 300 bucks tonight so far. We'll look for another trade though. If I see something. Little Nasdaq long kind of looks appealing, but we'll see. I mean, I think we could push back up towards the VWAP. That'd be a nice 30-point trade. But we'll wait here. We'll see what happens. It's also looking a little weak, finally. That was easy and fun. That was short, Smokey. You caught some of it? Yeah, I caught a bit of it. It was nice. Don't they have a micro in silver? They do. Yeah, they do have a micro. It's SIL. Has anyone experienced data delay on Ninja Trader? Uh-oh. No. Well, I was having issues earlier with Tradeovate, but it was my internet. No one's in the chat tonight? It's not bad, Cameron. It's not bad. It's a little slow, but... because I'm not doing a giveaway tonight, that's why, Cameron. Thank you, Rock Driller. Appreciate that. Smash that like button too, guys, if you haven't already. Is there a time frame when you have to have it activated? Not really, Tyson. There is a bit of a so that particular one I haven't activated in a while, and it disappeared, the link to activate it, and then I just wrote to support and I said I'd like to activate that account, and then they brought it back. So thank you, JR. Bodine, we were trading some gold and we were trading some Nasdaq. So we took a Nasdaq short to fill that gap down in here, and then we took a gold short basically off the inside bar. And then I feel like we got stopped out on something. Let's look at the... I did get stopped out on a trade earlier. Oh yeah, I tried to take a little, I think, trade short right in here, which we pushed back up, thinking that we'd roll back over and take out that gap, and which we did, but I got taken out first. That was a losing trade. Let's see, I think it was all right here. So yeah, so I took a short there, stopped out there, took another short here, took that off there and there, and now it's pushing down. The gold trade, the Nasdaq trade, we were short off the first inside bar, and I paper handed it, and I was short here, and then paper handed it back up towards, once it started to push back up towards that VWAP, it's like, oh man, and I just hopped out of it, and then it bounced its head off the VWAP and then rolled right back over. So beautiful. Nice little long there off the bottom, 981.25. Got a little pop there, above 26,000 now, possibly pushing back up towards the VWAP. We'll see. You're long, 995. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. Hey, Neo, what is up? Good to see you. Yeah, they have that 5-day inactivity rule on funded accounts. Yes, Willie C. Thank you. A lot of them do too. That is something that good little reminder for people, especially when you're traveling or whatever. That a lot of prop firms have an inactivity rule. So keep that in mind. And so if you're not going to be active on your accounts, you might want to reach out to customer support. A lot of them are around 5 days. So. Oh, really, Ethan? That'll be cool. They got, I mean, hey, competition is creeping up. So we got possibly, this is the rumor mill, but the CEOs have tweeted this stuff, so I'm just kind of relaying what they said. So, My Funded Futures possibly coming out with daily payouts. Tradeify possibly coming out with daily payouts. Apex coming out with possibly direct to funded accounts. So yeah, we get a lot. I mean, competition's good for us as consumers, right? If we're trading with the props. Yeah, they get on Twitter, Ethan, and they start bashing each other, and then it's good for us. So that's all stuff I've seen on Twitter from CEOs themselves of those companies. So I'm not saying anything that's not already out there in one form or another. Oh, really? Well, see, yeah. Oh, right. Yeah. You were waiting because they only pay out on Wednesdays. Buellanox. There's a lot of downside. Yeah, Pon. We still have that open gap way down there, and this feels like we make a run, right? 24,700. Pull up the hourly here. It's right here. We know Nasdaq can get down there and fill that gap in like one candle if it wants to. Taking a look at the hourly here. Yeah, so we have that open gap down there, 25,700-ish, down to 25,575. That's going to be a nice play. Gold kind of pushed down here, swept, made a new session low, getting a little bounce now. What's up, Scout? It's funny, I get an alert from Robinhood telling me that Arizona is at Dallas tonight, because apparently you can gamble on Robinhood now, sports gamble, which is kind of nuts, right? All right, gold bouncing here, Nasdaq bouncing. Got Tokyo open in about 12 minutes or so. $13 minutes. Bounce from the 15-minute range. Scalp ripper. Yeah, possibly. Yo, 007, what is up? The buffer doesn't start over, Tyson, but you gotta stay under. Still gotta stay under consistency. Yeah, the buffer doesn't start over. Basically, it just goes static, right? So once you take that first payout, then your drawdown is whatever you have left. So that becomes static, and then you, if you get up over that buffer, the minimum. So like, what is it, 4,100 on a 50K? So like 4,100. I kind of forgot, but yeah, it's 4,100 to take out. I always forget. Check my payouts. To take out 1,500. But you still gotta stay under the consistency rule. Thank you, day trader. Yep. I haven't had a Buellanox payout since 9/17. I gotta get on that. I gotta activate that account. Send that bad boy. So I haven't activated an account with Buellanox since I had that third payout on that single account. So I'll show you. So I had that payout on that single account on Buellanox, 554. So 1, 2, 3, and then so it goes uncapped payouts, and then I blew the account like a bozo. So that 554 one right there. And I haven't activated an account since. It kind of upset me. I was upset with myself. Your Robin Hood keeps telling you how low Dogecoin is going. It's funny. Is it Tokyo Open or Shanghai Open? Yeah, I think it's the same, right? Tokyo Open was an hour before. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't know that, actually. Thanks, guys. Yeah, Sparta, I was just talking about it. Yeah. No, yeah, the Buellanox funded. Yeah, I was just talking about it. I was just showing my payouts. Yeah, so you want to make 4,100 and you take out 1,500 bucks. It's 3,600 to take out 1,000, I believe. So. Yes, exactly, Tyson. Yep. Get it back over 1,400, 4,100. Yep, stay on the consistency, and you get your second, and you can get a second payout. Yep. After the third payout, I really don't know, because I funded guy was 5 days to pay out. 10. No, it's 10. Unfortunately, Sparta. Yeah, 10 days to pay out. With Buellanox. Oh, really, Willie C? Oh, man. Yeah, supposedly 2 days allowed for flipping, but yeah, a lot of companies are cracking down on the flipping stuff, so I didn't really want to mention it. But yeah, you're right. Technically, you can flip for 2 days with Buellanox, so technically you can trade 8 days and flip for 2, but I just try to stay consistent and you know, just trade. Find the next rapid is fastest to pay out, but capped for 2 months. Yeah, seen that. Funded next. Thanks, Nate. So let's see. Funded next. Gold getting a nice bounce. Nasdaq also bounced there. Good call in the long. So if you guys can, let's see. Put in the... Alright, getting a little bounce there. Yo! Terg, what's up? Tergalis, what's up? What's going on? 1100 profit, let's go. Nice trade. Ten days is a long time. Yeah, I agree. What's going on here? Nasdaq pushing back down here. A little inside bar on gold. A little interesting. I was long from the bottom and didn't trust it. After that quick dump, yeah. Nice gap fill there and then bounce. For the stream. That's right. This is my link for Funded Next. If you guys want to use that link, if you guys are buying any Funded Next accounts, use that link. Put in the default code for the discount. Maybe I'll get credit. Maybe they'll actually give me a promo. My own code. Right now they won't give me a code. I've asked 3 times. They allow me to be an affiliate, but they won't give me a code. All right. Let's see what gold does here. Nasdaq pushing back up towards that VWAP. What's going on, Ethan? Oh yeah, Tommy. Yeah, it's every other Wednesday for sure. Yep. Got caught early on that flush on gold. Deer in the headlights kind of moved, but made it back. Break even tonight. Oh, let's go, golf guy Mike. Let's go. Good luck in that tournament too, man. I'm rooting for you. Team Nutty, let's go. Inside bar on gold. We got top of the hour here in 1 minute. Yeah, if you guys want to try out Lucid, so yeah, so I got I'm working on my second payout with Lucid. Give them a shot. We got Apex going on, 70% off, $40 activations for Apex. So if you guys are trading with Apex, that is one of the best deals that they have with the activation fees, especially $40 activations. Use code PINE. You guys can check out all the other codes. I put the link to the top. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee. I got a daily payout with Take Profit Trader today for an $800. I got another $800 payout, well, 700 something after commissions Friday. So on the same account, so that's it's good, $1,500 take home pay on that account on Take Profit Trader. So get those daily payouts. Not financial advice, but like I'm telling you right now, if you can get daily payouts with Take Profit Trader or Trade Day, and you can just base hit it and start getting $200-300 payouts on those accounts while you're working on, say, a Bulenox account, while you're working on those 8-10 days, but always have that money coming in a little bit, I'm telling you, it's a game changer for me. It is awesome. So yeah, not financial advice or anything like that, but if you'd like to help support this channel, use my code PINE for all those props. I really appreciate you guys hanging out. So P&L check. Up $294 on this core account tonight. So some nice trades. Nasdaq looking like it's trying to roll over here. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, anyone that's in my on my website right there, pinned to the top of the chat, propcodeshub.com. Short NQ. Some of my favorites right now currently is My Funded Futures. That's one right on my top. Take Profit Traders right on my top list right at this moment. I don't know about being in the UK short NQ, but those ones for me. Lucid, Apex, Bulenox, pretty good. I think My Funded Futures right now is really good. So if you want to use my code for My Funded Futures, I really appreciate it, guys. $40 activation fee is epic. Yeah. Yeah, smash the like button too, guys. I appreciate that. All the cheats got resets, golf guy Mike. That's crazy. How many accounts can you have? 5 with Lucid. Hey, OC Dog Trainer, don't tell anyone. Let's just keep it between us, right? Keep doing your thing. Thanks, show, and thanks, guys. Do I trade in the morning? I do trade in the morning, yeah. I trade all day. I try not to trade all day. I try to, Is Lucid good in the UK? I don't know. I'm sure. I'm sure they are. Yeah, I'm not really sure, 100% sure, but let's see. Banned countries. Restricted countries. All right, here we go. Seems to be fine. Here's the list. I'll put it in the chat. Here's the Lucid restricted countries. So I don't trust the long. I guess we'll see. I know. Nice Harami break there. Up that. But a little tricky though with that inside bar. Little fake out. Let's go, OC Dog Trainer. Yeah, no, I hope you get paid. Hey, it's nice to get slippage on your, like, that works in your favor, right? Yeah, I know. How much you up? It's a secret, GC. It's a secret. I want to see him get that payout. Alright guys, I'm going to do it there. I'm a little tired, but that's alright. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Sorry about the internet issues earlier. We had to reset the stream. So, a little funky. I don't know what was going on. But, yeah, thank you for using my code PINE to help support the channel. And all that good stuff. And, I will see you guys later. Peace. I'll see you tomorrow night. We'll do yeah, we'll do a giveaway tomorrow night. So be here. I have a Lucid account that I can give away. So that'll be fun. So I have a Lucid account we can give away. Alright guys. I'll see you later. Peace. Stay tuned for the outro, right? Can't forget the outro. Later, guys.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine Tree Trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah.